Trade Republic versus MyInvestor versus Revolut. Let's get started. So let's start with Trade Republic. Trade Republic is a German-based mobile-first investment platform offering stocks, ETFs, crypto, and savings plans with low fees. MyInvestor, on the other hand, is a Spanish neobank and investment platform offering index funds, robo-advisors, and commission-free investment plans. And Revolut is a UK-based all-in-one finance super app with multi-currency banking, trading stocks, crypto, and budgeting features. Now let's talk about their pros and cons. So what Trade Republic offers is a commission-free investing. You can also have access to stocks, ETFs, crypto, and savings plans. They also have fractional shares and long-term investing tools. And they have a simple, clean UI build for mobile investing. MyInvestor, on the other hand, offers Vanguard, Amundi, and index funds with zero commission. They also have a robo-advisor for passive investing. And they have free banking plus a Visa card, and they have a strong in fund-based investing, especially for residents of Spain. And lastly, we have is Revolut. Now, what Revolut can offer is an all-in-one app: banking, investing, FX, crypto, and budgeting. You can also trade US stocks, ETFs, crypto, and commodities. And it's great for international users and travelers. You can also have the fastest onboarding and sleek UI. And the premium plans offer free stocks, trades, cashback, and many more, although it is limited to US. So in conclusion, Trade Republic is best for long term. My Investor is perfect if you're based in Spain. And lastly, Revolut is ideal for multi-currency banking.